Hello to everyone watching this. This is Solomon. I'm glad that you're watching, and I'll be making such videos for those who have questions basically in mathematics. If you have any question, you need an answer, you don't understand, you have a topic you don't understand, please, you always just inform me, just text me about the topic, about the question, send me the question, and we see how we can help you, mostly in this time of the lockdown. Yeah, so today there's a question we're going to look at. It's in functions, and basically we're going to look at how we get the inverse of a function. So this is our question that we are looking at today, and we are good to start. So I'll let you know that what we need, one of the things we need, you need to know how to make the subject of a formula. Yeah, that basic that everyone should know. Then we start. So I'll start with Roman numeral 1, which wants the inverse of x. So what you do, we first of all begin by letting let your f of x, that's the function that is given to you. In this case it is f of x, function of x. Let it be maybe an unknown. I'm going to use y. And if it is y, then it means that actually my y is equal to the log of x plus 2. Yes, x plus 2, and the base is 10. Now it's fun that I've started with logarithms, but this is the question that I got from one of you, and he wanted me to hope about logarithms, but it is the same way we do. Let the function, and this function today is a logarithm. So how do you go about this? What you do, we have to make sure that we let x be a subject of a formula from this. So what we have to do is to actually change this logarithm to index notation. Index notation. You all know about this index notation. What we mean is that you change and write it as a power of something in powers or in power form. That's what the word index means. So how do we change to index? I just need to ignore the logarithms. That is what it means, ignore the logarithm. And this will be, keep the base, which is the base 10. So it will be a 10. Then this will be the power 10 to power y, and this will be equal to x plus 2. Yeah, so we said what we actually need is to make x a subject of a formula. So I'll need to take this to this side. So it means I have 10 to power y equaling to, oh sorry, we have to take it to this side. So we have a 10 to power y minus 2. This gives us x, right? I hope everyone is getting this. Now after reaching that step, we're almost there. Remember our question was in x, so we need to do away with this y. So it is very simple. Where we have x, just make it the inverse. So in other words, this x is representing the inverse. So you say my f inverse of x, right, is equal to and whatever is on this side, just make sure you ignore the y, and when you take away the y, you change that y to x so that our function goes back into x. So this will be actually 10 to power x, right, then minus these two. Yeah, and this is the solution. Sorry, this is the solution. So let's proceed to part 2. Where they want us to find the f inverse of actually -1. So we just quote this, that assume they had given you this, that your f of x of f inverse of x was given as 10 to power x minus 2. Assuming that was given, and they told you to find the f inverse of -1. It means that wherever there is x in this, just compare this and this. Wherever there is x, we just put this -1. So it actually means that if they want the f inverse of that function at -1, it means that on the right hand side, wherever there is x, we put -1. So I will have 10 to power -1 and minus 2. So you can get your calculator. This one you can take it as actually this is the same as 1 over 10. If you change it to a fraction, a tenth, which is 0.1, minus 2. What does it give you? It should give you a negative that's 1.9, and you have your answer. Yes, thank you for watching. In case of any questions, you have a topic that you don't understand, just text me, WhatsApp me 0774429443, or you can actually comment on this video with a question, or you send pics and I'll be there to help.